God bless you, my dear student. Today I am going to start a very important and interesting and also very easy topic, that is mode. In this topic, you will learn about a number, about an observation which comes in data again and again. That means which occurs maximum time. Also, you can say that observation has maximum frequency. Let's see. Mode is the observation which occurs maximum number of times, or you can say in another word, mode is the observation which has maximum frequency. For example, given data 25, 14, 28, 17, 18, 14, 25, 14, 17 and 14. Write them in ascending order. 14, 14, 14, 14. 4 times. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that 17, 17. 17 and 17. 2 times. This is 18. Only 1 time. 25. 25 and 25. 2 times and 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write them in ascending order and you will find here 14 comes 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 14 has maximum frequency. It occurs maximum time. It comes again and again, more time. So 14 is the mode. Got it? In this question, you have to find mode. So write them in ascending order first. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. You can find that 6 comes again and again maximum time. So 6 has maximum frequency. That means 6 is the mode. In the next question, these are the weights 46 kg, 51 kg, 53 kg, 56 kg and 60 kg of 15 students. There are 15 students whose weights are given. 3 students are of weight 46, 1 student of weight 51, 5 students of weight 53. 2 students of weight 56, 4 students of weight 60. That means 53 occurs 5 times. 53 has maximum frequency. So 53 is the mode. You can write it, number of students having weight 53 is maximum. So the mode is 53 kg. Also you can write, since 53 has maximum frequency, so 53 is the mode. Got it? Question number 3. The following table shows sale of shirts having different sizes from a certain shop in a month. Find the mode. 38 साइज का 24 शर्ट सेल हुआ है, 39 का 31, 40 साइज का 23, 42 का 14 एंड 44 का 7 शर्ट सेल हुआ है. These are the numbers and you have to find which number comes maximum time, which number has maximum frequency. So यहाँ गौर करेंगे तो 31 is maximum, that means 39 साइज के जो शर्ट है वो सबसे ज्यादा सेल हुए हैं. So mode is 39. Since 39 has maximum frequency, so 39 is the mode. In the next question, in January 2015, the number of children in 10 families of a locality are given. Find the mean, median and mode. These are numbers of children. Now you find here 1 0 right here. 1 time 1 right here. 1 2 3. 3 times 2 right here, 1, 2. 2 times, after 2 it is 3, 1 and 2. 2 times 3, 1, 2. 2 times 4 and 5, 1 times 5. Now you have to find mean. As I taught you before, if you want to find mean, that means you have to add them and divide it by the total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After addition you will get 26. 26 by 10 it is 2.6. And if you want to find mean, look here, there are 10 numbers. That means even number. So first of all half them. 10 by 2 is 5, 5th and 6th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. 5th and 6th. These two observation will be in the middlemost observation. So the mean of 2 and 3. Mean of 2 and 3 will be median. 2 plus 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 2.5. Again, which number comes maximum time? Look here, 2, 2, 2. 2 occurs 3 times. So mode is 2. I hope you got it. Whenever we want to find mean, we have to add them and divide it by the number of observation. And when we want to find median, arrange them in ascending order. Find the middlemost term. If there are two numbers, then add them and divide it by 2. Again, the number which occurs maximum time, that is mode. Again, second part of the question. When the two families having children 0 and 1 vacated the house. दो परिवार जिनमें से एक का कोई भी बच्चा नहीं था और एक ऐसा परिवार जिसमें एक बच्चा था. वेकेट का मतलब खाली करना, खाली कर दिए घर को. 2 न्यू फैमिलीज, 2 नए परिवार उस घर में रहने के लिए आए, जिनमें एक के 2 बच्चे थे और दूसरे के 5 बच्चे थे. एकोमोडेट का मतलब होता है उसमें रहने के लिए आना, उसको फिर से भर देना. तो डाटा कहाँ चेंज हो जाएगा? जहाँ पे 0 था उसकी जगह हमने यहाँ लिख दिया 2 और जहाँ 1 था उसकी जगह हमने लिख दिया 5. सो न्यू डेटा वी हैव. अरेंज करो इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, अरेंज कर दिए. नाउ मीन निकालना है, सबको ऐड कर देंगे और 10 से डिवाइड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ऐड करने पर ये 32 आएगा. 32 को 10 से डिवाइड करोगे 3.2. नाउ मीडियन निकालना है. सिंस नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज 10, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाफ दें. 10 का हाफ क्या है? 5. अब 5 वाला और 6 वाला मतलब उसके बाद वाला, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स, ये 2 नंबर जो है ये मिडिल मोस्ट पोजीशन पे होगा. तो मीडियन निकालने के लिए हम इसी दोनों को ऐड करेंगे और 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. मीडियन इक्वल मीन ऑफ 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 by 2, 6 by 2 इट इज 3. और मोड निकालने के लिए देखेंगे सबसे ज़्यादा बार, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, उस फ्रीक्वेंसी इज मैक्सिमम. तो 5 2 बार, 4 2 बार, 3 2 बार, बट 2 जो है ये 4 बार है. 1 2 3 4, 4 टाइम्स. सो 2 हैज मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड राइट हियर मोड इक्वल 2.